Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Apps section over here. Then select App Cloner and click on an app that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. When you're ready, click on this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Then you can click on Rename App Clone over here and type in wherever you wish to. Following that, save your changes by choosing Save. Now when I go back and try to access Facebook app, I can see that mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!